guys! First time namin to visit IKEA and we love to share some tips para mas convenient yung shopping experience nyo when you go here. Aside sa jacket, dala ka na din ng madaming pasensya kasi kahit malamig sa store, iinit ulo mo for some triggering reasons. Wait 2 hours to dine lalo pag weekends or peak season kasi bukod sa sulit finds dito, panalo din ang food offers nila. Wear comfy shoes and clothes kasi expect na maraming lakad and kandaligaw-ligaw pa nga kami. Just a lot of things to explore, that's why. Mahina sa direction and or shy type na magtanong, don't worry, may easy guides sila so you can navigate around the store. Maximize showroom tour, take note, may order slips and pencils provided, but better take picture of the items you want to buy para later on, madali na lang ang process of elimination when deciding alin ang i-check out, lalo na sa mga limited ang budget like us. Also, this hack will save you another trip back dun sa route. Also, another iwas impulsive buying tip is choosing items at the store, then decide after and order online. This way, mapag-iisipan mo ng triple times if bagay o needed ba talaga yung item. Look for the as-is area. Here you can find items na may minor issues at a lower price. Ito yung nakalimutan na namin puntahan dahil nakaka-overwhelm yung variety ng items na makikita nyo sa store. Kaya importante to plan ahead and list items na bibilhin nyo. Look for red lower price signs kasi siguradong sulit, best buy deals yon. Don't forget to take inspiration sa showroom nila. Huwag mahiyang itry yung displays, pwede kang umupo o humiga para ma-feel mo talaga kung may luksan ng dugo and it's really for you to buy. I hope nakatulong tong video na to and don't be like us na talagang sobrang napagod when we visited IKEA. Happy shopping guys!
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click!